everyone, welcome to another video of Funtastic Art. Today I'll be drawing a cute giraffe, so let's get started. So the colors you'll need are green, brown, and yellow. And I'm using these markers, so if you have these markers, I'm going to tell the name. So the first one is grass green, number 4, and the second one is dark brown, number 22, and the lemon yellow is number 2. And you'll need a pencil and an eraser just in case if you need to erase. And you'll need the paper vertical so you can fit the giraffe. So let's get started. So first we'll draw the head by doing a U shape like that. Now let's draw the eyes. So do one because the other one is on the other side. Then color that in. Then if you want to make it a girl, just add the eyelashes. And now draw a little nostril right there. And now we're gonna make the neck. So first go do that and go down like that. And then we'll draw the these type of horn things. I'm not sure what they're called. So just draw them. Draw a stick and then a circle on top. Then draw a ear like this. And then draw another ear like that. And draw a little line like that. And now we'll draw the body by drawing a shape like that. And then go up and connect to there. And now draw the tail by doing that shape, and then draw a U shape, then draw a shape like that, and then color this in. I mean, don't color that in, just draw a line there. And now draw the legs like that. And I think I'm gonna make them a little bit longer, I think, just a little bit. And just draw U shapes like that with the legs. Like that. And now let's draw the mane. And now let's draw the spots. So first draw a little circle right there. Then draw a big one like that. And actually you can do them anywhere you want because giraffes have spots anywhere, but and don't put them too close so they look like spots for a giraffe. So just make spots and make spots on the tail but not the face, and you can do them on the legs. And actually you do a little line right there because that's where we're going to color it black. So we know there's going to be black there. And now let's just keep doing the spots. And there we do the the dots. And now I think that we have green. I think we're gonna make a tree. So draw a line like that going up, and then do the same on the other side. Then draw a little U shape like that. Then draw shapes right there. And actually we need black. And now I think we are gonna color it now. So I think first what we're gonna do is color in the giraffe yellow. Oh, and one more thing, and if you don't have markers, or I mean if you don't have these markers, you could use normal markers or whatever type of markers you have. And if you don't even have markers, you can use colored pencils or crayons. And I'm telling that so you don't have to use, so if you don't have them, you don't have to buy them or stuff. And now we just have to color in the legs. Okay, now we're gonna color in everything that's brown. And actually, I think you need to color in the ears too, like that. And now let's use dark brown to color in the spots. And then we're gonna color everything that's black. And you can color in the main brown because the main is brown too. And you can color in the tail too, right here. And now let's color in the mane. Okay, now let's use black to color in these places. And color in these dots black too. And now let's color in the tree. And now you can color in the leaves. And that's how to draw a cute giraffe. And subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye everyone.